Save time when laying Ethernet cabling from the field to the control cabinet. The patch panel with IDC connection reduces installation time by up to 60%. Push unstripped conductor in, press shut, done. The tool-free cable shield contacting also provides vibration-resistant strain relief at the same time. Additional safety is provided thanks to the installed surge protection and shield current diagnostics. Your compact solution for remote network devices. The integrated power over Ethernet injector with electrical isolation and powers up to 60 watts.